Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with crime and penology subjects. Okay. Definition of crime. We discussed last video class also. This online class is continuous. Okay. Okay, students. Definition of crime. Here Halsbury defines crime means as an unlawful act, okay, as an unlawful act which is an offense against the public and the perpetrator of that act is liable to legal punishment. Okay. Halsbury defines crime as an unlawful act which is an offense against the public and the perpetrator of that act is liable to legal punishment. That's all. And also I just wanted to give stages of crime, because various stages is available. Then only we can assess, we can find out this is crime, this is not a crime. Okay, then only identify. Without identification of any marks, what we will do? Nothing. Okay, so what are the stages of the offense we'll consider as a crime? Here there are three distinct stages of crime. Number one is intention. This very important thing. Number two, preparation. Number three is attempt. Okay, what is the meaning of intention? We already discussed in Indian Penal Code also, okay, in punishment area. Now the intention means it is the first stages of crime. Without intention, what we will do? For example, if you want to do something, first you have to plan, and your intention, getting some food, getting whatever it may be. So your intention is willing, something like, okay, or not willing. The first point is intention. So willing or not willing or denying, whatever it may be, accept, that is your intention. Second, then you are preparing. Okay, prepare your mind. Third one, attempt, action, that is action play. That is normal in nature, in common, not a criminal, in common act. So same. So I just wanted to give this. Intention means it is the first stage of a crime. Intention means guilty intention of a person against another person. Okay. It helps a person to design to commit the offense. Design. Okay. You know meaning of the design, like that, drawing, something like. So he designed in his mind, okay, against another person. That intention is criminal intention, not good things. Okay. Here the term intention means bad intention, because if one person has no bad intention, then he cannot commit crime. Okay, right? Okay, the second point, preparation. What is this? If you are preparing any tea or preparing any examination itself, whatever it may be, preparation. Because preparation meaning is different kinds of, wherever we need we can utilize that and all, no problem. But here preparation, as per the crime, preparation, it is the device or arrangement of the means or measures necessary to complete the offense. Okay. Number three, attempt. What is that? Somebody thinking, sir, I am fourth attempt, fifth attempt, I got passing mark. Not like that. That also attempt. You are trying, like that. Okay. You are doing something. First time you are failure, second you are going to attempt, whatever it may be, that is related to common. But in crime, attempt means it is the third stage of a crime. Here the term attempt means direct movement toward the commission of the crime. Okay, direct movement towards the commission of the crime after the preparation are made. Okay, it is very important that there must be attempt to commit a crime, because it helps the judge of a court to convict a offender. If there is no attempt, then a judge cannot convict a offender, because he cannot look into the heart or mind or the individuals. Okay, these are all stages. And what are the elements of crimes? Without elements, we will not consider. Okay, we must identify the elements of the crimes. Without identification of any elements, there is not a crime. Okay, some elements. So there are two elements of crime as per this criminology. Number one is mens rea. What is that mens rea? M-E-N-S, mens rea, R-E-A, rea, or that meaning is guilty mind. Okay, mens rea or guilty mind. Number two, actus reus, actus rea. Okay, A-C-T-U-S, actus rea, R-E-A, actus rea, or an act. That meaning is an act. That's all. Two elements. We'll discuss first one. We'll take the first one, mens rea or guilty mind. What is that? Mens rea is one of the most important element of a crime. It may, however, be direct or implied. Implied means indirect. Okay, the implied mens rea is otherwise termed as constructive mens rea. That meaning is constructive mens rea. It implies that there must be a state of mind with respect to an actus reus, that is, an intention to act in the prescribed fashion. As the above mentioned, that there must be a state of mind. Okay, it means there must be guilty mind of a person, because an animal never have guilty mind to commit a crime. Okay, so there must be person involved, that is mens rea or guilty mind. Number two, second element of this crime, actus reus. That means actus reus, A-C-T-U-S, actus, R-E-U-S, actus reus, or an act. Okay, meaning is an act. There should an act or commission to constitute a crime. Here, intention or mens rea alone shall not constitute a crime unless it is followed by some external or overt act. Okay, generally omitting to do something will not amount to actus reus of an offense. The criminal law usually punishes individuals for positive conduct and not for inaction. There are, however, some notable exceptions. For example, a police officer may have a duty to act to prevent an assault, and if he does not, he will be liable to punished under the law. Okay, that's all, your students. This definition of crime and stages of crime and elements of crimes. Now understand? Now it's clear, this initial stage of the crime. Yeah, we'll see one by one. Okay, it is very big evil in our society. Okay, please watch regularly in our online classes, then only you can understand what is the crime. Because if you are watching only one online classes, after that or 10 or 15 classes will be left, 16th class will be watching. What is the use? Nothing. So you should watch continuously, then only you can understand the portion of the subjects. Understanding point of our subject knowledge. Okay, students, thank you all. Bye. Wish you happy day.